Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding PS4 party chat to your video clips and broadcasts. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Sharing and Broadcasts. Now open Broadcast Settings and then select Advanced Settings. Next, select Audio Sharing Settings. Enable the checkbox called Share Party Audio. When this is enabled, video clips and broadcasts will include all audio from players in the party who allow their voices to be shared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.